Hey, do you have any tips for reducing stress and improving mental health?
Absolutely. One method I find helpful is deep breathing. It activates your body's relaxation response and helps you feel more calm and centered.
That's a great tip. I've also heard that regular exercise can release endorphins and reduce stress hormones.
Yes, physical activity has been shown to have numerous benefits for mental health. The American Psychological Association recommends at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day.
Interesting. What about mindfulness meditation? I've heard that focusing on the present moment can help ease anxious thoughts.
Definitely. Spending a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness can have a big impact on your mental well-being. There are many guided meditations available online to get started.
I'll have to try that. What about technology? I feel like I'm always connected and it's hard to disconnect.
Taking breaks from screens is important to reduce digital overload and give your mind a chance to recharge. Try setting boundaries for screen time and taking regular breaks.
Good idea. What about hobbies? Can they help with stress?
Absolutely. Pursuing activities you enjoy can divert your attention from stressors and give you a sense of accomplishment. It's important to make time for hobbies and self-care.
That makes sense. What about sleep? Does it play a role in mental health?
Sleep is crucial for mental well-being. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine can help improve sleep quality and reduce stress.
Got it. And what about social support? Is it important for mental health?
Absolutely. Connecting with friends and family, sharing your feelings, and seeking support when needed can all help improve mental well-being. It's important to prioritize social connections.
Thanks for sharing these tips. They're all really helpful and I'm excited to try them out.
You're welcome. Remember, these steps can be personalized to your preferences and needs. Let's keep supporting each other on our mental health journeys.